A woman finding a strange man inside her home. When she confronts him, the man claims he owns the home and that shuts the door in her face. Marcia Davalos had her cell phone out and was rolling on it all.
Get out of here.
Get out of my house.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out of here right now. You better watch it with that. Oh, holy.
Davalos quickly called 911, but take another look at what she noticed just inside the door. You see that big sword and the butcher knife the man had brought with him and placed on a table right by the front door.
I just went to go open the front door with my key, and I opened it up and was shocked to find some guy like in the living room, like watching TV, with all this stuff all over the place.
Heavily armed officers first sent a canine into the home. The dog couldn't find the man. Those officers then entered the home and found him in a bathroom taking a shower. They used a chemical spray to force the man outside, and as you see, he was wearing just a bath towel wrapped around his waist. He was
Boom! Tactical protection review. Lady pulls up, sees this man inside of her home. You can see her arguing with the guy. If we roll this from the beginning, one of the first things that I notice is down and to his left, our right, you see some weapons right there by the door. This lady was moving through what we like to talk about as a transitional space. You got to remember that most attacks happen when you're going from one safe place to another. This is when you're most exposed. Going into your home is one of the most exposed times, when the predators know you're going to be exposed. And so this is when you need to be ready to deal with an attack. Once again, we say, people tend to think that protection has everything to do with the hard skills, your Judy chop, your karate chop, your force multipliers, guns and knives and all that. But so much of it really has to do with the systems, superior systems that you can use to avoid these types of things from happening in the first place, and or move around them in real time. You won't even know if you would have been in danger if you're moving through life and living a safer pattern of life by utilizing different systems and soft skill tactics to move through life most efficiently. First and foremost, recognizing when you're on the seams or moving through a transitional space is huge. From your car to your home, that front door, that's a transitional space. You should be paying attention. When you roll up to your front door or your garage or whatever it is, there still should be some awareness, right? You walk up to your door, look at the door jamb, look at the whole entire frame around the door, see if anything's been tampered with, see if your lock before you put your key inside the door has been tampered with. Awareness on all these things can give you an edge. Beyond that, different systems. Hey, having a dog, great. One of the best protection strategies out there. Not so much because your dog might attack and fight someone. In fact, unless your dog's got professional training, bite training, security dog training, it's really not going to probably do anything. It's been used to listening to humans and being afraid of humans its entire life. So what's the advantage of a dog? Dogs make noise. They let you know if and when someone's coming. In real time, they're very reactive. The small dogs actually let you know. Any dog with really good ears is exactly what you want to have on your side. You roll up to your house and your dog's outside. That's your first target indicator that something might be going down, right? Ring doorbells and different doorbell camera systems. They let you know if anyone's been tampering with moving through your door. Maybe he entered from the back, so have a Nest system in your house, have one of the in-house surveillance systems in the common areas of your house, and you'll know if someone's moving around inside your house before you even get home. An alarm system on your home. These are different systems that you can implement that would give you an edge, so that by the time you get home, they're very effective. There are very effective and cost-effective ways for you to safeguard your nest, right? For you to safeguard your property. By the time she got home, she would have had video of this guy. She would have known someone broke in. The security company would have already called the cops. She'd have been able to just go to her aunt or her friend's house, hang out, call the cops herself, and wait for the situation to be dealt with. What you don't want to do is walk up to the front door, try to enter your apartment. Thank God he didn't hide inside of the apartment and then attempt to victimize her once she made entry. When you're moving into the place where you live, paying attention to anything that's been tampered with is a good way of life. Now, moving into that space, if you don't have a dog or a roommate or anything, any camera systems or anything to alert you that someone may be in there, it isn't a bad strategy to take a look around, to pay attention to your environment until you know that that environment is 100% safe. This goes out to all the people that live alone, and especially the women that live alone. You're not 100% clear until you know that that home is absolutely empty. If you have a force multiplier, you should have it on your person until you've cleared that environment. This isn't about living in fear, it's about living smartly and setting your home up in a way that you would recognize if someone made entry before you is a good strategy that can help you live a safer pattern of life. Take this video and share it to anyone you know that's living by themselves, any women that you know that might need to pay attention to some of these tactics. But what I really want you to take away is start thinking about leveraging different systems, doorbell cameras, in-home cameras, alarm systems, get a pet dog, different things like that that can just simply make your life safer. And then we'll talk about the range and all the force multipliers and combatives when you come out and train with us. If you like these videos, if you love learning about protection stuff, join us at protectornation.com. It's a free platform where you can join the Protector community online and you can get all the stuff that I make for free. And then also you can upgrade to our online library where you can learn from 24 of the best protectors in the game. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. I look forward to training with you guys, making the world a safer place by helping good people to become more willing, capable, prepared, and yes, more dangerous. Boom, boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.